How'd the recording look, Daniel?
Yeah, it's recording right now.
Did it look good?
Yeah.
Like okay. All right, here we go.
1 second, 1 second. All right, so I'm gonna take the quiz. Is that what we're doing?
Yeah.
No, it's yeah.
Take the quiz already? Okay.
That's when the hour and a half starts.
Alright.
Okay.
Okay. So, who wants to start? I can go if y'all want.
Anybody want to take it?
I'll go.
I'm still reading it. Give me 1 second.
Oh, you need to enable screen sharing.
Oh, and we need to make a Google Drive, or we can just add it to that one we're already in.
Right.
Okay. Let's see.
Are you gonna do it, Max?
Yeah, I'm screen sharing.
Okay.
You see?
Yep.
All right. Okay, so it says to
Create.
Create
Uh,
scheme flip one.
So
scheme flip one. Doesn't amplify. So it's Emacs.
and then just scheme. What was it called again?
Scheme flip one.
Capital F.
.scm.
All right.
Okay.
Then it says we have to create a main function.
Multiply method, which takes two parameters.
Okay. Let me just open up the notes so I can see the formatting.
Oh, and we gotta put the header in these files.
Oh yeah, I'll just do that last
That'll work.
because we gotta get the important stuff down first.
Yep.
Okay, so let's see. So it's just define.
Pretty sure you have to do parentheses first.
Define, and then it's the, I think it's the name first.
Yeah, let me see.
Yes, the name first, and then
Oh, yeah.
the
Arguments,
the arguments.
X and Y,
Yes.
and then it's
Pulling it up
the
right
actual-
now.
I think it's then it's the actual function. So then what would that be? That would be star. Oh, can I not do star?
Okay, let's see.
How do you multiply in? Okay,
There we go.
it just doesn't like the number pad, I guess.
Yeah, I figured that out.
Yeah. Okay. Is that
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, it should look like that.
okay?
And that's supposed to.
Then create main.
Oh, and we need to display it.
Yeah. Oh yeah, display. So what I would just after this, or does it have to be in these parentheses?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can do that in the parentheses.
So I have to do this.
Yeah, and then at the end, display. On
Is
the
it
left.
display first?
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll work.
Is it display F?
No, it's just display.
It's just display.
Okay. on, I gotta move this. Can't see. Okay. Does that look good to you guys?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then we just make a main.
Actually, I'm trying to look because I remember seeing it in the notes.
I don't
There was
remember what
like
the
a-
format is.
Yeah, I don't remember the format. I'm trying to look it up.
I saw it too.
Is that in the variable? Is it in the scheme? Because we got 3 pages of notes, right?
Yeah.
Mhm. I'm looking in the function design basics.
Okay. I'll look to the variable types, just see if there's an example using it.
I think it's probably just main and then call the function.
You think that's something that would be able to like Google? Or we,
I
or
mean-
no, we're not supposed to use that, are we?
I'm not
I
sure.
don't
I mean,
think
that-
so.
That's not even. Yeah, I'm not sure. It's probably just very simple. I mean, I could just try
Yeah, you can try it and see if it'll.
like main.
Yeah, you can try, yeah, just using like define main and no arguments, just the code.
Yeah, but don't forget the
You mean
parentheses.
like on the beginning? Oh, actually, I think I just saw something with where it defined main.
Oh, I'm pretty sure it should be inside. So like the multiply function has to be inside of the main.
Okay.
But like,
So
or no, is this what you're saying, Daniel?
What?
I was thinking, because it makes it sound like we like make the function and then below it you call it.
Yeah, I was also thinking that, but
Yeah.
um,
hmm,
Yeah, so like, and then like parenthesis.
yeah, you see define main.
Yeah.
So define.
I don't know why. I don't see it in the functional design stuff.
I remember seeing it. I remember seeing it, but I can't remember where.
So like this. You think? I see on scheme conditional notes, page 27. It just has a. Actually, I don't think that's.
Oh, you found it?
I think. Actually, never mind.
Oh,
I don't think that's.
so no, that's scheme. So just type, so do that first part. So take it out from up top.
So is it like this?
But no, I think you have to do it. So like take the define main out that you have right now.
Page
And, like,
27?
Yes.
Yeah.
And then just get that back to normal how it was.
See.
And then below that is where you'll do define main. And then you'll call multiply this times this.
Okay.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, I see.
Alright.
Define main and then.
So, or no, do.
What do you call it?
Next to that main though, it has to be 2 parentheses.
Oh, you're
So,
right,
like, yeah, there we go. Calling And then I think it's just, uh, no,
Just
I think you
multiply.
need to keep that parentheses you just had up there. Or either spot works. Yeah, I didn't even, I see what you're doing now.
Yeah.
And parentheses. And
Wait, I already
then,
have. I need to close this parenthesis too, though. That's why I removed
You
this.
what?
okay, I see. And then you'll say, multiply with just 7 times 7 or whatever.
I have to do. So is that it?
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah. Was it Control X, Control C, or something?
Control XC.
Control X. C. I think that's just did Y. Okay.
And then GSI.
then what was it called? Scheme.
Scheme flip one.
Oh. Ill form, special form, define.
Okay, didn't like the
Did you
define.
do? Go back to your code. Oh, I'm pretty sure you didn't close it properly.
Oh, you got to do exit.
Oh yeah.
You got to do exit, and then this looks
After
like
after the main, you have to do another set of
parentheses.
parentheses.
I think there's a set of parentheses you need at the on the multiply line. At the according to if it's set up the same way as this, you need parentheses on the very far left of that line. Like at the beginning of it, right there. There's
Mhm.
another set of parentheses right there
Yeah, according to the
Er,
notes.
on page 27. That's how they have it.
Okay. So where is this one closed then?
Huh.
Oh yeah, plus this one has a return 0, the main function.
Yeah, I think there's probably a better example somewhere in these notes.
You may have to do the return 0.
I think
'Cause
actually
every-
in one of the videos he posted, he did something like this. Let me see.
Yeah, he.
Because there's another main on here that also has a return 0.
Yeah.
So I think you need to do that.
So we'll just put return 0 at the bottom.
Yeah. Or no, up one, right there. Or down. Sorry. Return 0.
Like this?
Yeah, that's how they have it.
Hmm. No, I'll try it.
Ill form.
It just says the same thing.
Gosh.
Let me see. Oh, it just has main at one of the videos. It just has main at the bottom.
Oh, it has what at the bottom?
On It's called complex conditional statements. What's the video? It's one of the videos from the playlist he gave us. He just defines main like this. I don't. And then he calls it down here. Or I don't know. It just this is how he has it.
Try it.
Yeah, that kind of looks right.
Yeah, go ahead and try it.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna get rid of the return 0 because he doesn't have that on this one.
Mhm.
Okay.
If it doesn't work, then try that again. Let me just make sure all my things match up. That work?
Did you exit?
I'm trying to do
Oh,
Control C, Control. Oh no, I'm doing it.
Control XC.
Oh yeah, I was doing it backwards. Okay, so that's right. Okay, yeah, there you go.
worked.
Nice. There we go.
So what? I guess I'll start taking. What
Can
do
you
I do?
just go back real
Screen-
quick to the code?
Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, I need a screenshot of that.
Can you just align the one parenthesis on the multiply?
This one?
Yeah, align it to that one. Yeah.
You think that's everything good?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it looks good.
Well, actually, can you move the multiply 7 to the left? Because the indentation is kind of weird.
When I click tab, it just shot all the way over there. I don't know why.
Okay.
Okay. I guess that's good.
Yeah, looks good to me.
Yep.
Okay, I will take a screenshot.
Don't forget that header though.
Yeah, the
Oh, yeah.
header.
Let's just
Or do you think we should just do all the problems first?
yeah, let's do all the problems first because it takes it's gonna take me a little while to type that out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Um, do you want to do another one, or me or Daniel take one?
I think
I can do the next one if you want.
Yeah, you take it away, Daniel.
yeah, I think we should do rotations.
All right.
That's
Yeah, because there's
the
6
best.
problems, so
Yeah.
we split it up 2, 2, 2.
Yes.
All right, give me just 1 second.
I'll just take a screenshot of it of how it ran because that won't change either way.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because we have to submit the file and then a screenshot of it running and a screenshot of the code, right?
Yes.
Let's create the file, pass data in from main.
Make sure you share screen.
Yeah, I'm still reading the question.
Okay.
Share it. I'll share it. Did y'all see anything about that? About the not a number?
Let me see.
That's just I think that's just a built-in scheme function. Like you know how you can check to see if something's a like a word.
Yeah.
Oh, he gave
It's
us
just
the Gambit portal. I mean the library or whatever of functions. Just look through that.
yeah.
Okay. So it's gonna be just a nested if statement, just to set it up, right?
Yeah.
Should be.
Read that for the first time. What does it mean when it says pass data in from main?
I think you just call the, like we did, for the first question, I think.
Okay.
Like.
It's just saying call the function we make and use it.
Give it data with main, like we did
Okay.
with the first one. I think it's the
Hmm.
same thing.
It says pass data in from main.
Yeah, I think it's just saying what we did the first time with main. Yeah,
So it'll be define, even odd.
even dash odd.
Yeah. Check if it's a number or not. Check if it's even or odd.
So first we check if it's a number, then we check if it's even or odd.
Yeah.
And then it says refer to the nodes, doesn't it?
For built-in data type check and predicate value checker. So that'll probably be variable types and names.
Mm,
So for example, the Boolean question mark and then variable, that right there checks if it's a Boolean. So I'm assuming it should be something similar like,
int.
yeah, like int. So
Where are you
Where's
seeing
that
that,
at?
Daniel?
I saw it in the notes.
What
What page
page?
It should be under, I'm assuming, it should be under conditionals.
Okay,
Scheme condition.
I do remember seeing something like that.
Yeah.
Oh, I think I found it. Yeah, yeah, it's on page 3. It's just checking if it's a Boolean.
Yeah, right there. Yeah, see, it doesn't have the, it doesn't have a print. It just has the actual sentence. Rational. I think it kicked me out. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, I think I don't know, something weird happened.
Here, try screen sharing again.
Yeah.
It's still recording. Good.
I think we're good.
So, okay, so as I was saying, I don't know why it's kicking me out. There's something going on with my Wi-Fi.
I guess one of us could screen share since our Wi-Fi is not cutting out.
Yeah.
Yeah, it
What's
keeps
the-
on keeps on cutting out. I think I might have to restart my computer. I don't know if it's
Aren't,
something with my computer or the Wi-Fi.
aren't you recording though?
Yeah, I think it's better if you
Yes.
just because you're still here.
Yeah, I
I
think
think
as
it's
long
better.
as you're still here.
Yeah, and just help us while we.
You cool with that, Daniel?
Maybe his connection's cutting out again.
Yeah, I can't tell.
Yeah, it's cutting out again.
All right. Here, let's just keep chugging along while we can.
Yeah.
So are you able to see my screen?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Um,
Not for me. Mine's frozen.
oh gosh.
Oh. We'll just explain all this in the survey.
Yeah. I guess while we're
Oh, there we go. Um,
okay, you can see it.
Yeah.
All right, well, let's just keep trying to go through it. So what's the format again? It's define, even,
Define
odd.
then the name and then the parameters. So probably like int or something.
Let's see.
I'm gonna disconnect from the VPN. Maybe that's.
Where it's like number. Because I think it's,
You can just try it.
yeah, if it is a number or not. I'm pretty sure it's a number. Um, if number, question mark, X.
I'll look through the thing you gave us.
And then it's, where is it? That, and then we'll display.
Oh, you can't do display.
No, it says you may not put print or display statements.
Oh, okay.
So you can't put it in there, but you can.
Oh, the question mark is like attached to number
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
in the notes. Yeah.
Also, you can just do like a string, like not a number, and then outside this function we do the display. That's what it's on the notes.
Okay. So if number, wait, we may have to do a conditional for this.
Yeah.
Uh,
Well, no, I mean it's just I
No,
think it's just
you're
a
right.
nested if, isn't it?
mm,
Like if
If the
number,
input is
then
not,
you do the other if statement. And if not, then you just say it's not.
yeah, let's try. Okay, so then it's gonna be if.
Well, the parenthesis goes first.
I mean, you don't have to.
Because this is if it's true, right?
Yeah, so if it is a number, then just do, it is a number. Does it say anything about being odd?
Yeah, it says if it's not a number, then
Oh,
you
okay.
say it's not a number. But if it is a number, then you have to display either even or odd.
Okay. So if number,
No, you're right. You were right.
keep
Like,
doing
do
that.
the if, yeah, and then there, do the same thing that you had, the number. Check if it's a number. If that is true, then we have to check if it's an even or odd. So you have to do something like a nested if.
So,
I mean, the first if checks if it's a number, so should the
yeah, so I
second
I
if
don't need
check
to
if
do it
it's odd?
again.
Yeah, so how do we check if it's odd?
So if it's even or odd, if, do y'all know what modulo is in Scheme?
Uh,
I would assume it's probably the same thing.
yeah, I would
Right.
think so too.
If modulo x, or modulo, yeah, it's
Yeah.
x 2,
Mhm.
But how do we see if that equals
it's
2?
equals 0.
You can do something like a Boolean once again. I'm assuming. So you can do if Boolean question mark, and then that. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say.
I don't know what you
I don't really know what you're trying to say.
So like right after if,
Mhm.
do Boolean, the question mark.
Like right there.
Yeah. Not like what we were like on the example
The example
on page 3.
3 of the,
Like do the if Boolean and then that
Question mark.
expression.
oh, okay, so if boolean, like that, and then,
I think you need a space in between the question mark. Yeah, there you go. So if that is true, you would display
but I thought I
even,
wasn't,
right?
I'm not allowed to display though.
Yeah, but just put the string.
Oh, yeah, so then it'd be even.
Yeah,
else odd.
right.
Oh yeah, if boolean. Wait, so why are we doing the boolean?
It's a conditional to see if it's true or not.
I thought the Boolean question mark was seeing if it was.
Yeah, that's just seeing if it is a boolean.
Is it?
Is it?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
Or if it's true. Oh yeah, you might be right.
It might.
Yeah, that's not gonna work, I think.
Yeah, it's not.
Or
you can-
How you do? Can you do equals? I think maybe change the Boolean question mark to just an equal sign.
Okay.
Because whenever they do comparisons, they just do either the less than symbol or the greater than symbol. So maybe just the equal to symbol. And then I think you'd have to make.
Yeah, oh, so if that equals
You might have to do the double
See-
equal.
like
Yeah, I
that,
think so.
Yeah.
Maybe that'll work.
we can try it. We just need to get something so we can test it.
Yeah.
Even. Um, and then
And then
closing parentheses.
just is just
Enter.
else odd.
I don't know if there is an else.
I saw him using else several times. Yeah, he uses else. Page 4, there's an else.
I think that's when they're using the conditional setup.
Oh. So then, do you just do even then? I mean, just do odd?
It says on my notes that there's no else. So you just do right after the true statement, you do the false one.
Just
If,
do odd.
um,
I don't think you need to do another if statement, right?
So
You
no,
just-
no, no. It's on right after even,
You just put odd.
oh,
Yeah.
okay.
another space. Yeah.
I think that's it. Was that all we needed to do?
Mm,
No, you need to have not a number.
yeah,
Oh,
that
yeah.
should be
So-
that one, the first one,
So
I think.
after the parenthesis after odd, because that
Okay.
whole if statement is the if it's true and then if it's
Yeah.
false. So I
Mhm.
think you just do the string. So it's like space and then I don't think you need another parenthesis and then not a number. Try that.
So
Oh, we
tr-
need to main call it.
Yeah, just making sure I have this. So I think I need to, I don't have my parentheses right up here. I think I need a parenthesis right here.
No,
And
you're
then,
no.
is that not right?
Is it?
Yeah, yeah. That those parentheses are right. You might need another one right after the odd.
Right after that.
The yeah, to close the if statement. There we go.
All right. You want me to try it and then a main to run it?
I think there. Is that an extra? Is that not an extra parenthesis?
That I just put in?
Well, you need to close the first if.
Oh, okay. Yeah, also right there.
No,
So-
that's why.
Wait.
No, that's why I told you to add the other parenthesis.
Okay.
So we close the other if.
Okay, so I'm good right there.
Yeah.
All right. So
Then just
now
do
that,
main.
now, I main.
Then just call it.
So,
The main is in parentheses. The word main is in parentheses.
okay.
And then just do even
It-
and then just
it-
call it under it.
Is there another parenthesis right there?
Yeah, so that you can call it. Oh no. Not there, but like an opening parenthesis for the
Oh,
next.
okay, like that.
Yeah. And then just do
then-
like even odd.
But that's the opening for the main. Even, or
I
no,
think it's just one parenthesis. Yeah,
even,
like that.
um,
Then
Oh,
just
you have
pass
to do
whatever.
you have to do the display on the main.
oh yeah, so display even dash odd.
Also, and you know where I told you to add the parenthesis? I think I was wrong. And I think you do have to take it off.
Right here,
Yeah, my bad, my bad.
very good. Display even odd, let's just try 3.
Mhm.
And then we have to do main,
And that's main then exit.
exit.
Okay, let's try that.
Let's see. So it'd be GSI. EOF reached.
Doesn't that mean we have
Line
Parenthesis.
6.
error?
Line 6. 1, 2, 3,
It's on the main.
6.
Oh, because you forgot to delete one of those parentheses. After
The-
main, the opening parenthesis should be gone.
Oh,
Yeah, try that.
That?
Mhm.
Oh.
Line
not 9
6.
anymore. It's 1. So that line, not liking that. Oh, I need a closing parenthesis. for the
Yeah.
define,
Right.
because that one before define.
Oh, yeah,
Let's try that.
I think that's all correct.
Now it's in 2.
I think these are just
Line
a bunch
2.
of parenthesis errors, right?
Looks like it.
Let's just pair up.
Oh,
like,
oh, I need. I think I need another one right here.
Is it?
No, I don't think
Oh
so.
no, actually no.
No, get rid of that one, the second line. That one. I think that was the problem actually.
You are right. Come on. One. What's going on?
Even odd. Fine.
So that works. Oh,
Oh yes, you need another one, I think. For
Right,
right
at the end.
after.
Not a
Mhm.
number.
There we go.
Come on, please work. Output port expected. Display. Huh? An 8-1. Okay. 6, 7, 8. Did you end up using return 0 on the other one?
No, I didn't.
Hmm.
Maybe remove display. Does he use display when he does because isn't it? I'm not sure.
Oh, I think you need a parenthesis between in the display.
Wait, why do I have?
Oh yes, you need a parenthesis in the display.
Where at?
In between even, odd, 3.
Right there?
Add another one there. There we go.
Oh yeah, because it's a function.
Unbound variable.
Oh.
Okay, it's not like in the modulo.
Oh, how do you do modulo in?
Let me look on the manual. See if it has anything on it.
I clicked on something. It said not found.
Yeah, me too.
Uh-oh.
Oh, you just say modulo.
Oh.
Let's try it.
Yes, let's
Perfect.
try with an even now.
Oh, that feels so nice.
It really does. That was getting annoying.
Yeah.
All right, so we got 3. Let's try. All right, let's try 4.
Actually,
Beautiful.
You want to try with something else besides
With not a number.
Mhm.
And then I'll put
just
in
put like any letter or something.
Yeah, like a letter.
S for scheme.
Uh-oh.
Oh, it's because
put it in.
yeah, I didn't put it in quotations. I was about to get really sad.
Okay.
There we go.
Okay.
All right, it's working.
Screenshot that and then move on. Because I think we're running low on time.
What's time look like?
Not very good.
45 minutes.
Okay. So I need to screenshot this. Let's go. Why isn't the mouse working?
Okay.
There we go. Okay. So new. So that's screenshot X.
Okay. So next one.
I can
You screen-
try. I can try doing the next one.
Yeah, go ahead.
Connection seems to be much better now.
Yeah, I actually disconnected from the VPN because it was connecting and disconnecting. Let me try connecting back to the VPN.
Okay.
Okay, I'll stop sharing.
Okay.
It's all you know. Number 3.
Okay, the next one looks pretty easy.
So just create a function.
I think it's just a condition
Yeah.
thing. And then just Boolean question mark, float question mark, string question mark.
Mm,
Where's the HTML manual at?
I mean, I think we already know how to do that from from number 2, like question, see if it's a number or Boolean.
so it's saying
Float.
we can accept Boolean floats and strings.
I think all we have to do is say what kind of variable it is. So it should be isn't, I think if I read it right, like if we give it true, it should say it's a Boolean. If we give it false, it's a Boolean. If we give it 1.2, it's a float. And if we give it anything else, it's probably a string.
Right.
I think it's just identifying whatever we pass to it. So that should be pretty simple.
Yeah, I agree. Give me 1 second.
And I think we just use the use condition, COND, cond.
Yeah.
Um, second,
4 looks pretty easy too. Yeah, I think we'll hopefully finish in time.
all right, let me screen share real quick.
Okay.
What's the name of the file?
Scheme flip 3. Or yeah.
We have to create a function
Fine.
called and then we just need one variable.
Yep. needs to ID the basic type passed in.
So
Just con, right?
it's conditional.
I think we should use condition instead.
Yeah.
That way we can have,
Give me just a second. Gotta let my dog out.
Give me 1 second. Let me look up the. Okay, got it.
It's gonna be a square bracket.
I think they all function the same. It's just for organization. That way we don't get confused.
Yeah.
Okay, so then if,
So
Boolean.
I don't think you need to do if. I think it's just the conditions.
yeah.
Okay.
Boolean question mark.
X, and then we do this, and then we
This.
do.
I guess it's a Boolean. I don't know.
Yeah. It didn't give us anything specific.
Yeah, you just have to identify it.
Oh, you're getting fancy with the exclamation point.
Then we do this.
And the next one.
And then it's gonna be
It's just another
Opening.
condition. Or
it's
not
gonna say
condition.
opening else.
I think that's only the end of the branch. So we
Yeah,
still
we
need to do-
don't.
So I guess just do,
Float.
doesn't matter what order, I guess. I hope it's just the word float.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Should I move this one up instead?
Should you
So
what?
like that?
Oh, yeah. That looks good.
Yeah, that's fine.
Put it back on that line.
That way it's
Okay.
consistent.
And then it's gonna be float.
You can close quote.
Yeah, the quotations.
And this is where we do the else.
Maybe I think it needs to be because it's not always gonna be
Yeah, it could just be.
maybe else would be like it's neither a boolean as float or a string, and then we should have another condition before that that checks if it's a string.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Okay, so
So you'll do like string
But if I
question
just
mark.
put like a 3, that would just be an int, but it would say it's a string.
what about for the else? Are we just
So-
gonna do none?
The
Yeah,
else
we'll
would,
just-
I guess, just be
We can
none of
just
the
say
above.
it's none of the above
Yeah.
types.
There you go.
Yeah. And it's gotta be the other way. You put the wrong bracket in. There we go. And then else.
And then just
It's neither of these types.
and this one he did do actually never mind, doesn't matter. you
Yeah, close
just
it.
call it. Call it.
And then you have to do a closing parenthesis for the condition, the total condition.
Yeah.
Yep, right there. Okay, and then we got to call it main.
Was it defined too?
Oh yes, yep, you're right.
Then now do a main, right?
Yes.
So define main, just like this.
Yeah.
Yep.
And then right here.
Find main, and it says that we have to show that all three work. So
I
we
guess
can just
call it 3 times.
yeah.
Main. So
And
do
then
I
do,
just do a display?
Yeah, display type ID.
I think you should move to the next line. That way it's easier to read.
Display type ID, and then it's hat the pound symbol T to for true.
For what?
So go to type, put a space after type ID
Yeah, so you need to give it something.
in the
parentheses.
yeah, in that parenthesis. That type no that with type ID.
Within?
Pass.
Yeah,
Yeah.
within that parenthesis.
You gotta pass it the parameter.
Oh, I see what you mean.
Yeah.
Capital or lowercase?
Lowercase.
Okay, so then
And
next line, and then display type ID, and then just put any float. Okay.
What else is string? And then make sure you close the define.
close.
There you go. And then main exit. Okay, hopefully this works on the first go.
That'd be really nice.
Yeah.
The
Operator is not a procedure.
In 4. So
I think I
Line-
have to get rid of the parentheses.
line 4, piece 2.
Uh,
Not an operator.
oh,
Oh yeah, I think you're right.
Okay,
Oh,
what
you got to
happened?
do a closing quotation. Take out
Okay. Yeah, I got rid of it.
Yeah. yeah, just take out the parentheses. I hate that you can't click in Putty or Emacs.
yeah.
Yeah. I hate it.
Okay. Come on.
What? Float.
Doesn't know. What
I don't
float
like it.
is.
So that's not the correct. Let me see if it's. So what word does it want us to use?
Um,
I wish there was a place where.
Did you find anything?
No.
I don't see anything yet.
I mean, it just calls them float. I don't know why it wouldn't work.
Hmm. So the Boolean worked. I don't know why. Oh yeah, I did see that in the notes.
What?
Rational.
Sure,
Perfect.
maybe it's rational.
Yep, he tried it. It worked.
Oh. Oh, nice.
Nice. All right. You want to take 4, Max?
Yeah, sure.
What do I need? I need oh,
Okay, I guess I'll begin.
so I
Yeah.
take I just
Just
need an
the
image,
code.
the code. Yeah.
The code and the and
The
then running.
output.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and you can stop sharing. That way Max can go because I don't think you need to
Show
share
all the
this.
capturing of it.
Yeah, give me a second. There we go.
Okay. Okay. You see?
Yep.
All right. Let me see the question. Okay, I think so. This one's just so just return 15% of whatever you enter.
Yep.
Okay, this seems pretty easy.
And it says create a method. I guess that's just a function.
I think so. I mean, they called the first one a method, I think.
'Cause I haven't seen anything about methods in the notes.
I think it is just a function.
Oh yeah, because it says call your function twice with 1.0 and 80. So
Okay. Yeah. Emacs scheme. Okay. Then let's just do time.
15%. And it's going to take in,
Wait,
it's only going to take in one number.
is that supposed to put another parenthesis?
No, you're good. I think so.
Okay. Just X.
Oh, you need it. Yeah, you do need it on the other side of 15. No, keep going to left. No, keep going. Yeah, you need a opening parenthesis right there.
Oh yeah, because this is the.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. I thought
Yeah.
I was missing something. And then this is the actual. Oh, what happened? This is the actual function.
Yes.
Oh wait. Yeah. Okay, so.
And then it's just going to be times the time symbol. And then 0.15
I keep trying to use a number pad.
times
X.
X.
And that should be it.
Yeah, it's supposed to return that.
It can't be that simple for. I don't know, it just doesn't feel right.
And then a main. Sorry, main.
Yeah, actually, I think it is that simple.
I hope so. Okay, so
It does say, well, it does suggest that we should be using the float, a float, since it says to call 1.0.
yeah, I mean it'll just pass it as a float either way, right? Because they're dynamic.
I think it
Yeah.
should. Yeah, 15%.
1.0. And
Same thing with 80.
percent.
And you'll have to display both of those too.
Oh yeah, you're right. Oh, she says okay. Does that look right?
Looks like it. And then you got to do main and exit.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Yep. I say go ahead and try it.
So
GSI.
I don't know why.
There we go.
Scheme flip.
4.
Oh,
Oh, I think I saw the parenthesis. You got an extra one right there.
right where?
Just below define. If you take that one out, it should work. On the top.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that was everything.
It should work.
Okay.
Is
Hmm.
that the right answer?
I should probably make it so that it's easier to type.
Oh, yeah.
I guess I'll just do another display between these.
Yeah.
With like,
Just a space.
oh, can I just do, what was it, /n or \n?
Backslash n.
Yeah, it's backslash.
\n. I think that'll be good.
But you have to put it in print and quotation marks.
Oh, what happened?
Oh,
Control Z maybe.
Okay. I don't know what that was.
Okay. Whew. It didn't take that though. You got to redo it.
Let's- okay. Why is it typing down here?
I don't know. You're back up there though.
It won't let me. It's typing down here.
What the heck?
QS. I don't know what it wants. Just type
Hmm.
QS or P. I don't know what either any of those.
Just
things
type
do.
S. I think S saves.
Okay,
oh, there you go.
I must have hit something.
All right, we got about 20 minutes left.
Mhm.
I think. Okay, so is it backslash n,
Backslash.
right?
Backslash
Yep.
n.
Control X, Control C, Y, and then
There's
yeah.
some extra.
I think that's right, isn't it?
Did you try? Is it
Yeah.
doing 15% of 80? Is that what's
Yep.
he doing?
Yep, that's right.
Okay, good. Okay, now we can move on to
There's
the
an
next
extra. There's
Huh?
an extra dot after 12. I don't think it matters though,
I think it's
What-
because it's a float.
right? Mhm.
Yeah. Should be good.
It's probably fine. Okay. I will take a screenshot of this and then someone move on.
All right, yeah, I'll go to the next one. Okay,
I will
so
stop sharing.
okay, I'll share mine.
Okay, so yeah, it shouldn't be too hard either.
Yeah.
You're just looking for types again.
What was that, number 4 that I just did?
Yep,
Yeah.
that was 4.
Just putting it in this folder.
Who's gonna submit it?
Either one of y'all,
One
because
of-
I'm
it
gonna
has
run
to
out
be
of
one
time.
us. Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay, so inside the file, create a method named between nums. It returns if a number is between two other numbers. Okay, define. So we'll just have X, Y, Z.
Z.
Okay. This will be. So let's say X is what we're looking to see if it's in the middle. And we'll do should it be an if statement?
I think so, yeah.
If
Yeah.
less than
Would it be and?
No.
Because it has to be less than one and greater than the other.
I was just gonna do like a nested.
I think either works. I just think if you do and, it'll be less typing.
You do what?
Because if you do and then you compare.
And
Right
a
here.
conditional?
Yeah,
What do you mean?
like if you
Or-
do, instead of like the less than, you do and then you have then you have the less than and the greater than within that one if statement, you know?
Okay,
like
so
if
so-
X is greater than Y and it's less than Z.
okay, so what am I supposed to type right here then?
I think it's and. Yeah, and then the other conditionals. So like
If
parentheses.
less
then you
than X, we'll say Z's the bigger one,
Mhm.
and then
And then you just do another parenthesis.
greater than X, Y, and then another parenthesis to close it,
Yeah, and then that's the conditional.
and then the if state. So the first part's true, right?
Yeah.
So I'll just output this number.
I don't know if you want to do greater than or equal to. You can do it. It's up to you.
Is it specify?
But it's asking if it's in between.
So it can't be equal to then.
Yeah,
Then it
this,
wouldn't be between them.
Yeah,
this,
yeah, I
this
guess.
number's in between.
Okay.
And then need to close the if statement, close that define.
I think you should also move the true and false to the next line. That way it doesn't do that.
There we go. Okay. So we need display. And I'll do one that's true and one that's false.
Okay.
So we'll say 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So that should be false.
Yeah.
And then I'll display a new line. And then I will display nuns 2, 1, 3. That should be true because 2 is in between 1 and 3. Close the define. All right, look good to y'all.
Looks about right to me.
Let's see.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Side. Down very doesn't like the and.
Oh, I could have sworn I saw him doing that in the notes.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I saw that too.
Oh, I think it's just the word and.
I'll try that.
On
No.
page 7, he's.
Oh, it
using
likes
the word
that. I think that is right.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I remember seeing
See if that worked, but it didn't like my /n.
and. Oh, it's backslash.
Oh, yeah, backslash. Okay.
Okay, there
So
you go.
Emacs. Backslash. Great. All right.
There you go.
So I'll stop sharing, and then Dan, you want to take 6?
Sure.
How
Yeah,
much
10
time?
minutes. 10 minutes.
This one's using Lambda.
I say at 5 minutes, we just make sure that everything gets submitted.
Yeah.
Yeah, my images and files in the folder. So
Okay, I'm gonna do that for both of mine real quick while
I guess
y'all are
I
looking
can
at that.
submit. I guess I can submit the actual quiz.
All right.
So
Okay,
I have
so
about 10 minutes on my timer.
yeah, me
Alright.
too.
Okay. So
yeah, I've got like 6.
I'm just gonna upload everything we have so far, and then we'll do everything we can for this one.
All right, let me get it all set up. Oh, screen just froze for a second. There we go. So
Wait, who did problem 2 again?
that was me.
Sure.
Okay, so you haven't uploaded it to the thing yet.
No, I'm taking pictures of everything right now.
Okay, it's fine. No rush. Just
Yeah, I'm duplicating a thing so I can just take one picture of. It'll get both of them, the output and the code.
okay. Okay. We just uploaded the images themselves, right? And then the file.
Yes.
Okay.
Um, hmm. Okay, there it is. Try to find what was the name of our folder?
CSCE 314. It's under shared with me. That's where
Shared
I
with
found
me.
it.
CSCE dash 314. Okay. Wait. Is it lowercase?
Yeah.
I need some help with this one. So that's
Yeah.
not done with that.
I just want to put these all in here just in case.
Yeah.
First.
Gosh, I don't even remember how to upload to Google Drive.
You can just drag it.
Okay. Okay, I put my picture
I got
and then I'll get the file.
I think you accidentally put it into the question 2 folder. It's okay.
Oh, I did. I put it in the question.
It's alright.
Or I put the, I'm just going to put them all in question 3 because I'm in it.
It's fine. It's fine.
Okay. Then. Sorry this is taking so long, Daniel.
That's okay.
I'm still putting mine in there.
So now, find. Okay. Okay.
Lambda.
Come on. Why won't this work? What's time looking like for y'all?
5
Very
minutes.
good. Yeah.
5 minutes? All right.
Mhm.
I got 4 minutes. 4.5. I think we're probably not gonna be able to do that one.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Unfortunate. You could say that we had connection issues, which we did.
Yeah.
But
Okay, so now
I
I
don't think
need to
there's much
do.
else we can do.
Okay. Taking my last picture. And honestly, we got more done than I thought we would after that first question.
Yeah. Oh, shoot, I'm kind of running out of time. To upload these things.
Okay, so to question 5.
I think. Oh, you got them both in one image, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. Thanks.
Okay. And I just took my last image. Now I'm going to put the lab 5 code. And then I'm getting the picture. Okay, the picture and the code should be in there.
Okay.
Daniel, have you put yours in the Google Drive?
Yeah, I put the
Yeah.
the one that I
Question
worked
3.
on. Yeah, I
Your
put it
question
on
3.
Yeah, I put it under lab 2.
Yeah.
Did you see it?
Yeah, I got
And
it.
both images.
I have 1, 2, 3. Oh, shoot, I still need to. Uh-oh. Please.
And then I think you have 4 max, and then I just gave you 5.
Yeah,
How much time you got left?
like 2 minutes. Okay, did you do the same thing where you did both
Yes.
in one? Okay, good.
Yes.
It auto submits, right?
I'm pretty sure it does.
Okay.
Do you want to share your screen just so we have that? Because I don't think we're going to do this one.
Me?
Yeah, I mean, just so we can check to make sure, because I don't think we're going to have time to submit the one Daniel's working on.
Hold on, I have like 1 minute left. I gotta
All right, yeah,
test this.
go ahead and
Yeah.
focus. You can.
Yeah, go ahead and submit it. I'll just screen share and keep on working until my time runs out.
Okay.
I'm just gonna do what I think it's asking for. So
Yeah, at least you can see we tried to work on it.
3. Okay.
You just checking through it, Max?
I'm uploading the last thing.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Everything that we have is on there with only, what is that, like 30 seconds to spare.
So
Like, down to the wire.
2 pictures in a file for each one, except for mine where I took the double.
Yeah, 2 pictures in a file for each one.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
I feel like I did something wrong because since I didn't submit anything on the quiz, they all say unanswered.
I mean, I did that for the last one.
Oh yeah, yeah. I'm just saying it doesn't feel right.
Yeah.
875. Did you submit it?
Yeah, everything's submitted.
All right.
So now
So you just gotta say, we just gotta say we didn't get to 6.
All right. I'm gonna stop sharing. And should we record us going through the form, or
I think we did that last time.
we can go through it again.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah. If you want to share your screen. Because only one does this, right?
The what?
It's only one
The
person
Yeah.
submits the quiz and one person submits the completion survey.
yeah, but since
Okay.
I'm
We're doing the video,
recording.
you got it.
Yeah.
Sorry that I messed up and made us rush into it.
It's fine. I don't think we would have finished it anyway. We didn't have enough time. Because what, we had like 12 minutes after we finished the number 5.
Yeah.
It's fine.
I just realized we didn't put the header on any of the files.
I think it's, I mean, for mine, I just put my name and the date. That's about it. For one
Yeah,
of them.
I probably should have done that. That's something I need to ask him in office hours this week. Because I asked him about the video recording last week, but I'll go back in this week just to let him know that we didn't.
Yeah.
But he has the video to look at least if he thinks we got him off of somewhere.
Yeah. I kind of like that it's recorded just in case stuff like that happens.
Yeah.
For this lab, I think everything was on the on the notes. Like
Everything was good for this lab, I think.
Yeah.
Any questions?
We're not sure if we need to put the header on every file.
That's about it, though.
Did y'all go to the career fair last week?
No, I'm not
Mm,
in College Station.
Oh, okay.
no, I just attended the virtual one, like on Friday.
Hmm.
I think it was mostly good, right? It's just a time crunch, but that wasn't even really because of the lab. It was because we had connection issues.
Besides,
Everything is what?
Satisfactory, I guess. It was all good.
yeah.
Okay.
And for this
Um,
one, we have to be more detailed.
I guess you could start out saying the content that we got in the modules prepared us this week.
Yeah. Everything from the labs was present in the notes.
Mm,
Um, the questions seemed the
Reasonable.
the questions were more clear cut than last week.
Yeah.
We're
Last
more.
or well, the questions were clearer than last live.
Yeah.
I was a little confused on the questions on the last one.
Yeah.
Questions were clear compared to the last lab.
Um,
I guess we could say the content made me feel because like last week I didn't feel comfortable with actually typing on Scheme, but this week's content made it to where I could easily um,
this week's
um,
content.
made me much more comfortable. Yeah, made us with the Scheme syntax.
And I like the great variety of examples to cover different circumstances.
Rewrite scheme. I think that's good enough.
You want to say something about those examples? Just get one more sentence in there.
But the what?
The examples were good.
Oh yeah.
The large number of examples were very helpful.
Yeah.
Daniel, you had your Wi-Fi troubles.
Yeah. Uh, I'll put
then-
Jeremy.
Yeah, I accidentally clicked too early. I was 5 minutes but ahead of y'all is what it was.
Yeah, it wasn't bad. It's not like it was like half an hour or something.
Accidentally started the quiz 5 minutes before us.
Yeah.
Before Daniel and Max.
Um,
And then the header thing. Did not put header on the code on the Scheme files.
so time.
Yeah.
I think
I'll
that's about
put
it.
I'll put that perhaps we could have finished it everything correctly if we had just I don't know a good 10, 15 more
Yeah.
minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, we lost a good 5 minutes from the connection problems.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
Jeremy had to redo it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
it's okay.
if 15 were
Provided.
Yeah. Okay. And then just,
Yep.
oh yeah, and then I just wait. I'll upload it more than likely to YouTube.
Sounds good.
whichever's easier for you.
Yep.
All right.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna stop sharing, and I'm gonna stop recording.